Hey, welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Recently, I've noticed a lot of people in the groups asking whether or not you can use the rotary attachment for the Longer Nano system with the Longer B1 laser engraver. Well, yes, you can. The Nano attachment comes with a cable that will allow you to connect it to the Y-axis on your B1 laser. So if you give me a moment, I'll get everything set up. We'll engrave this cup. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm here at the B1. What you'll notice is I've got it raised way up high. That's to give me the clearance I need so I could focus on top of the cup. I think I'm going to make some stands to replace the standard feet so I could just screw them in and raise it up and not have things stacked up. First thing you want to do once you get it up high enough is in the back left corner is your Y-axis cable. So you will take your adapter cable, plug it into your Y-axis cable. The cables are keyed so they'll only plug in one direction. Take the other end of that and plug it into the nano rotary attachment. Now if you've got Lightburn set up to auto home, when you power everything on, your X-axis is going to try to home and your Y-axis is going to try to home, and it's going to spin the rotary. As you can tell, the rotary is turning and so is the X-axis. So for my case, I'm just going to trigger the limit switches so it stops where it's at. And now we're going to get everything ready to burn in Lightburn. Okay, so now I've got everything plugged in. A matter of just a few seconds to plug it in. I've got what I'm planning on burning here in Lightburn. The left side of the screen is going to be the top edge of the cup, but it's going to want to burn it backwards, so you have to mirror image it in Lightburn. What I have found to be the easiest way. You can just come up here and mirror image what you're going to do. Well, then I'm going to go to my settings. We're going to turn this up to 2700, and we're going to take this to 100%. Make sure we get through the power coding. Click OK. We're going to frame. That should be right where I want it to be on the cup. And then we are going to hit start. And that quick and easy, we're using the nano rotary on the B1 laser. So come back in a few minutes and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so we've got it all finished. We're going to pull it off of the rotary. There is our logo. The only thing I see that I'd have to play with and work around is the clearance with the laser enclosure and the tip of the rotary jaws. This cup is too tapered on the inside. When I tried to do it on the inside, it kept wanting to spit the cup right off. But there you have it. Not hard at all to do. Takes a little bit of patience to get everything set up. You have to remember, in Lightburn, everything is backwards. Now, if you flip things around, I'm sure there's a way around it, but this is the quickest, easiest way to set it up. And that's the biggest thing you have to remember. Everything's got to be mirrored for it to come out right. And it turned out very well. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Come back soon because there's going to be more things we're going to be trying. Have a good day.